Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Third Beard Fishing. I'm Solomon. In today's video, if you can see behind me, I got my buddy TJ here, and we are out on kayaks. We are heading into the Banana River where I caught all those big jacks to see if we can find some of those big jacks again in some of the coves that I was fishing last time. And because I really want to get him on a really big fish today. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to just kind of throw some lures around. I also have some cut shrimp that we're going to try and just see if we can have a good fun day. So we're going to take you along on the journey. Hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get fishing. Before we begin this awesome video, I want to show you guys something. My views are mostly from non-subscribers, about 86%. So if you guys are watching this and you are not subscribed, please take the time to subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I greatly appreciate your subscription. Now, back to this awesome video. Pretty stable, isn't it? Yeah, it's nice. Real nice kayak. That sucks. That was the first fish of the day. I guarantee you that was a snook. It felt like one. That's a good sign. And that means they'll eat today. Maybe mangroves is the play today. Oh, not the trees though. Oh, shoot. Come on. Thank you. I didn't really set that hook. I just wasn't quite expecting that bite. Good job. That's a pinfish. Good job. TJ caught him a pinfish. What just happened?
Whoops.
Did you just drop the fish in the water?
No. He just wanted to take a swim.
Okay.
He said he'd be right back.
Alright, dang. Alright, that's cool. Whatever.
Okay.
You got a spike down, don't you? That's cool.
I had a feeling I'd lose him before you get over. Oh, he's a bigger one.
Oh, that is a Mayan cichlid. I'm on. Yeah, that's actually a good size Mayan cichlid. That's an invasive fish. And I catch a mangrove snapper. Wow, there's all kinds of fish over here. Yeah. This is a tasty fish, but this one's not legal. This is what we can catch offshore. These have to be 10 inches to keep. Cool, nice mango. That's a freshwater fish. Yeah, cool, nice mango. Cool. Bloop. All right, now we're on some fish. Just hold on to it, they're slick as crap. Well, go back in there and get him. Yeah, that's not very big. It's a mangrove. Not fighting very hard. Let me measure this one. This one might be a keeper. I don't think he's gonna make it, but Come on. Use my pliers. Another mangrove. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna make it. It's probably about 9 inches, but we can still check. Yeah, he's about 9. He's bigger, but not quite. All right, buddy. Just leave this out. Well, he freaking popped the crap out of that. That was awesome. There we go. Looks like a mangrove. Nope, it's a pan. Little one. He's not huge. Keep him though. It's about to poop all over me. Another pin. Ah, jerk.
Fish on.
There you go. Ooh, that's a good one. Holy, oh, it's a sheep's head. Oh man, there you go. Just be careful of them spines. They're pretty good. All right, I'm gonna have to come close to you so I can get a good picture. Do not drop it.
I'm leaving it on the hook till we get our pictures.
Okay. All right. Sweet. Go ahead and hold him up. If you want to hold him up in front of you too, so I can get a good.
You're asking too much now.
There you go. Just watch them gill plates too. They can be kind of sharp. There you go. Good job. Good catch.
Thanks.
Nice sheep's head.
Put up a good fight.
Yep. All right. It's a good one. There's another pin. Dang it. Another pinfish. Another decent size. Back in the cooler you go too, buddy. Holy smokes! That's a keeper trout. What? Good Lord. All right, well that's unexpected. I don't think that's what hit a minute ago. Wow. Gracious. Look at this trout, y'all. Oh man, he ate this up. Oh, come on. Why can't I get my pliers out? Hang on. Wow, why are my pliers jacked up there? Oh no! My microphone just went in the water. Dang it. Oh, that sucks. Now I'm going in a stupid tree. Good Lord, what a travesty. Well, that's an expensive loss. All right, let me get out of this real quick. Oh, what a beautiful trout, y'all. Gorgeous trout. Let me measure him real quick. He should be a keeper. Oh, I got it out here. 15 to keep. Oh, there you go. Nice. Let's see. Oh no. He's 14. 15. All right, buddy. Bye, bud. There he goes. Here. Let me get my camera out that does not have. Yeah. God.
Oh wait, there's the 1 inch mark. Where you fit all the way to the end?
All the way to the end of the tail.
Oh yeah, 14. Dang.
Here.
First trout.
Good catch. Oh, well, there he goes.
That's why I left him on the hook.
Good job. Good catch, man. Good catch. Wow, I didn't know there were trout back here. That's awesome.
Ah, goodness, snaggletooth. Yep, pliers.
Yeah.
That's why I got it attached.
I have to rinse them off. Man, I can't believe I dropped my freaking microphone. Oh.
One on your GoPro?
No, for this one.
Oh, shoot.
I had it attached. I should have known better.
Number 3. I didn't get the second one for him. I lost him before.
Pretty. Boy, he smoked that.
Yeah.
Good job. There we go. Got myself one. It's number 2 for me. There. Yeah, I'm not even gonna measure this one. He's too small. He's pretty. Beautiful little speckled trout. Awesome. Sweet. Boop. There he goes. Man, they're fun. There we go. That's a snook right there. You want to come look at it? There we go. Oh, there we go. This isn't the big one that I just had. Oh, oh, he spit it. No. Turntabled. No. Oh. So I just lost this snook right here, but right here there was probably a slot size that chased my paddle tail out and just wouldn't commit. Oh man, I am brokenhearted right now. Oh, that was my first time ever having the opportunity for a big snook on a lure. Man, I'm so crushed right now. That hurts. Well, that's good news that they're here now. Man, that makes me kind of want to fish around these mangroves. Oh, that's heartbreaking. And I didn't even get it to the boat. Well, sort of did. I should have gotten it in a little faster, too. Alright, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun. I think TJ really enjoyed being out on the kayaks, fishing for the first time out on the Banana River. I know it was quite an interesting trip. We caught a lot of fish, and it was pretty fun for him to catch some pretty new species to him. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys back on the water. Take care. Hello everyone. If you could, I'd love for you guys to check out my father-in-law's YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel that I also edit videos for called Bearded Lumber. They are a full-service sawmill and kiln channel, and they are an amazing channel. I hope you guys will check them out. The link is in the description of this video, so check them out. You'll really enjoy this YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching Third Beard Fishing. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion, and feel free to subscribe here. Thank you.